You guys, I am loving going through all these old tutorials and making these refreshes for you. This one is from the summer of 2020, this smiling flower rock. So as you can see here, you're gonna put like a puffy football shape or an eyeball shape onto your stone, and then you're going to start adding petals around. Now we are going to add a few little tips of petals because we're going to be facing slightly forward along the top. Now go ahead and fill in your petals a solid color. As you can see here, I'm just doing a light pink because I'm going to do a little bit of mixing of colors on this stone. So this is fun if you are new to paint pens to kind of play around. Next, I'm grabbing my extra fine tip paint pen to add on a stem and some grass. As you can see, I start at the bottom and kind of pull up and away to get these wispy grass looks, and then add a flat line and some grass underneath as well. That way our flower's not just floating in space. Once the first layer of your flower dries, go in and add a second layer of your yellow, and then come along and add just the littlest bit of like an orange. And then with a slightly damp brush, we are just gonna get that paint moving and get this nice little blended edge to our flower. So I went in and added a little bit more yellow because my orange came up a little high on the side. So now for the petals, instead of getting that beautiful blend between the two colors, I want to make them more streaky so we get some variations of the color. So we're putting stripes of a purple and some fresh dots of the pink, and then we're going to just pull down the petal with our paintbrush. Now this has been in water and kind of dabbed off. You don't want your brush to be adding water. You're just trying to move the paint that exists on there, and you don't want to start with a dry brush. So work small sections at a time, pulling that paint down. So I'm working my way slowly around because you don't want your paint to dry, because if you leave the dots all the way around, it'd probably dry a little bit too much before you got there. But I am just going one little space at a time here. Take your time. Add more paint if you need. Next, we're just going to go ahead and line everything. So I'm going around each one of my petals here. Rotate your rock as you need so that you can get a nice pull. Like I turn my rock often, and I'm working my way around so that I kind of get the same angle of those ones kind of pulling off and down to over the edges. So I don't outline all the blades of grass. I kind of just do a wispy lines around and a couple texture lines inside of it. I did decide to come back and add a bottom layer of petals. So I just added the outline, filled them in. I let there be dry time in between, and somewhere in there I drew the face on this stone, and I'm really not sure why I don't have that in this original clip. So wide set black dots for eyes and a smile, and as you can see, we have ours shifted up so it's looking into the sun. I did do a little bit of pink in the cheeks. It's kind of hard to see there, and then come back and add a little white highlight in the eyes. So cute. I love this stone. I hope you give this one a try. Bye-bye.